In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Walmart customer service in 2025 with a simple step-by-step approach. Whether you're dealing with an urgent issue or simply have a question about their products or services, getting in touch with Walmart's customer support is pretty straightforward. So let's dive in and make this process as seamless as possible. First off, you'll want to head over to Walmart's official website. You can do this easily by typing Walmart into your preferred search engine or by entering the URL directly into your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll notice Walmart's familiar, inviting interface with their slogan prominently displayed: Save money, live better. Here, you should feel assured that you're at the right place to seek help. When you're on Walmart's homepage, navigate towards the Help section. Look for a link or button that says Help. It's usually located at the bottom of the page. Alternatively, you can just type www.walmart.com/help directly into the address bar to go there instantly. Once you're on the help page, you should see an option that says choose a help topic or chat with us. Clicking on this will open up various customer service options that Walmart has made available for you. Now here's a little tip. Walmart often updates this section with new categories for common issues, which makes it easier to find what you're looking for. Once you click on that link, you'll be prompted to provide some basic identification. Enter your email address or phone number, whatever method you most commonly use with Walmart. This step is important because it helps Walmart provide a personalized support experience, matching your input to your account and making it easier to retrieve your purchase history or other relevant information. After you've entered your email or phone number, click on the Continue button. This action will either connect you directly to a customer service representative via chat, or will provide you with additional self-service options that might solve your issue without further delay. If the chat connects you to a representative, you'll usually have the chance to engage in real time getting support while you multitask. It's always a good idea to have any necessary order numbers or details about your inquiry handy before starting, as this will help the customer service agent assist you more efficiently. Navigating Walmart's customer service might seem a bit daunting at first, but once you're familiar with these steps, you'll find that resolving issues or asking questions becomes much easier. So there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to contact Walmart customer service in 2025. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it simplifies your next interaction with Walmart's support team. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave your feedback or questions in the comments below.